Welcome to the Craftive Elegance, your ultimate dye wall hanging destination. Our YouTube channel is your go-to hub for all things dye wall hanging crafts. If you are someone who loves to add a touch of uniqueness and elegance to your living spaces, you are in the right place. Unleash your creativity. Join us as we embark on a creative journey to transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. Our channel is your source of inspiration for crafting stunning and one of a kind wall hangings that reflect your personal style and flair. Dye made easy. No matter your skill level, we have got you covered. Our tutorials cater to everyone, from beginners to experienced crafters. We break down each project into simple step-by-step instructions, making it easy for you to follow along and create beautiful wall decor. Unique home decor. Discover innovative ideas and techniques to elevate the aesthetics of your home, whether you are looking to add a boho vibe, a touch of rustic charm, or a modern twist to your living spaces. Our wall hanging projects offer a wide range of styles to choose from. Materials and tips. Learn about various materials, tools, and crafted supplies to enhance your dye wall hanging experience. We will also share expert tips and tricks to help you achieve professional looking results every time. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video.